Okay.
How many kids do you have?
Okay, go.
You first.
I
Okay,
suck.
look. You're gonna find out eventually because there's too many to hide in the
I
closet.
spilled on myself.
I have 8 kids.
That's 3. I got 1.
I have 10.
Ew, I'm gross. Was that
You
even
have
a
10?
real burp? No, I can't burp.
You do.
I do. I have
Did you say
10.
10?
I had 4 and we adopted 6. I mean, that was...
It's like burping an Asian thing because I can't do this. I lost track. Well, if you're watching this video, you can keep count.
Oh, you don't have to
I think that's
explain.
like 5.
I never thought that I'd love being a dad this much. My wife, she was the one that wanted the big family, but now
It's not
just
mouthwash, Paige.
seems like the most natural thing in the world.
I was trying to get the carbonation flowing so I could get more burps. I'm like, bleh.
This is really happening.
That's not fair. You totally ruined my burp. We're doing it at the same time. You're a follower. You just suck. If it was such a good burp, I would have heard it.
So then, I asked her to marry me.
And I said yes.
Oh my god. I wish I could like swallow air. Maybe we should pause the movie because they probably can't hear us.
You got married?
Oh. Can you hear us better? How are they supposed to know? Like him talking, yeah, I can hear you. I'm just saying for when people watch the video. Jeez, you're so unprofessional. Try and burp the alphabet. C D. Oh, if they could hear us, they could reply in a comment down here and subscribe over here. And you're gay, right? She's just jealous because I'm white and she's Asian. I don't like being Asian, you're just jealous because you're a mutant and I actually come from somewhere. Mutant Ninja Turtles, that's right. You're not green, strong, or cool. That was a good bird. Oh, do you smell the smoke? Oh. What was that? I thought I was gonna throw up. That was disgusting, babe. This Fizzette is like demon stuff. Fizzette. Oh yeah, this is what we're drinking. Just in case you want to copy us, you know, that's cool. I can't burp. I think it's not in my genes. Maybe it's a genetic thing. Maybe you're just lame. Maybe. I wonder how many times I burped. If you're watching this, please comment and tell me. That didn't count. Ew, I can't burp to save my life. If I was in a war right now
This is a gun.
and someone came up to me like this and said, burp or you die, I'm like,
Pretend
just
this is
kill
a
me
gun
now.
and
Just
try and burp. It's a gun.
okay. That's all I got. You'd be good right now. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna chug this and see if I can get a burp. Okay? There's like
done.
this much left, so let's go. I'll finish mine. She's disappointed. Oh, I can feel it. Damn it! So technically, the Asian one, Asian invasion, mutant retard. Just kidding. Once you go Asian, you'll never go Caucasian. Cause I'm clean and I'm cool. You're just jealous.